These are the exact same cookies, but the labels are counting two different amounts of them. Serving size tells you what every number on the label applies to, even when the food is exactly the same. Let's set sail. When you look at a nutrition facts label, your eyes probably go straight to the large calorie number. That number is easy to find, but it's not always the best place to start. Start just above it with the serving size. That serving size tells you what amount of food every number below it describes. That includes calories, but it also includes all the nutrients listed underneath them. So when a label says a food has a certain number of calories, it does not necessarily mean one cookie, or one crisp, or the entire package. It means the serving defined at the top of that particular label. And that serving can change depending on how the food is packaged. Here is a portable package of 2 sandwich cookies. The label defines one serving as 1 pack, which is 2 cookies weighing a total of 22 grams. Now compare that with the larger family package. On this label, 1 serving is 3 cookies weighing a total of 34 grams. The cookie in the portable package has not suddenly become different from the cookie in the larger package. What changed is the amount being counted as 1 serving. And that is why the labels show different calorie amounts. The calorie number belongs to the serving directly above it. The smaller package is designed as a convenient amount someone can carry and eat as 1 unit. The whole pack becomes a useful serving. And in this case, that portable serving is smaller than the serving used on the larger family package. The larger package contains many servings, so the label needs a repeatable amount that can be taken from it. The FDA has food labeling rules that use reference amounts for different kinds of foods. For cookies, that reference amount is 30 grams. But the serving also needs to be expressed as a practical number of cookies. 3 of these cookies weigh 34 grams, which lands reasonably close to that reference amount. And the label is not going to tell someone that a serving is 2 cookies plus part of another cookie just to hit exactly 30 grams. So some variation is allowed when the standard amount is translated into whole pieces. The important part is that the portable pack and the larger package are describing 2 legitimate but different amounts of the same food. Here is another example. This small portable tub of potato crisps contains 19 grams. Its label treats the entire tub as 1 serving. The larger container defines 1 serving as approximately 15 crisps, weighing 28 grams. The larger package contains several servings, and its listed serving is closer to the standard reference amount used for this type of snack. And the fact that they use the word approximately also makes sense. Potato crisps can vary, and some might be broken. So the number of pieces gives us an understandable visual estimate, while the grams gives us a more consistent comparison. Calories measure the energy provided by the listed serving, but that large number can lose its meaning when we ignore the smaller serving size line above it. And calories are useful information, but they are not a complete score for a food. It tells us how much energy is in the serving. And they do not, by themselves, tell us everything else about what the food contains. So while the serving size is the amount that the label describes, your portion is the amount you actually eat. The label is not telling you that you must eat exactly the listed serving size. It's giving you a consistent reference so you can understand the numbers. And you do not need to calculate everything perfectly every time you open a package. Simply ask whether the amount you're eating is smaller than, similar to, or larger than the amount on the label. If it is larger, the calories in every nutrient below them increase with the amount of food. If it is smaller, those amounts are lower. The serving size drives the entire label. Before you use the calorie number on any nutrition facts label, take 3 seconds and check, what does the label call 1 serving? Is the entire package 1 serving, or does it contain several? And how does that compare with the amount I am actually eating? Read the serving size first, then the calorie number, and every other number on the label has the context it needs. Remember, the same food can show different calories because the labels describe different serving sizes. Until our next voyage, I wish you smooth sailing.